is actually digital superhighway and creative economy. That digital superhighway had a national target and a local implementation expectation. Nationally, we were targeted to roll out 100,000 kilometers of cable and also open digital hubs in 1,450 of the county ward rep level across the country. And in addition to that, His Excellency the President also committed 25,000 free Wi-Fi again across the country. In terms of the local implementation of that lofty vision, which was set by His Excellency the President, in Kisii County, the best example, because sometimes you talk and people say, but we haven't seen it. The best example is the Jitume center here that we are in. This center has got 100 computers. This center processes shifts of 100 students per shift, and shifts can be anything 2 to 4 hours, and in a day they can shift maybe 3 to 4 shifts in a day. And what I'm told now from the center manager, those are numbers I'm given, they've trained nearly 380, almost 400 students who have actually learned and graduated. This is basically an example of all the other centers we've set out. So where are we in terms of statistics? We've got a center of excellence, which we have 47 of them set up across the country. For Kisii County, our center of excellence is near Ogembo town, in Machoge Church. That's where land was found, in Ekegusii area. That in fact is under construction, and we shall soon be actually going out on a tour of development with the Minister for ICT and also the governor and the rest of the leaders to see the progress. There are also other standard hubs that are actually under construction because, as you know, civil works take time to actually build across the country. And the plan is that once the civils are done, to actually equip with computers, desktop computers, so that we have similar centers like this Jitume center here across Kisii County and across the country. So that is actually the plan. And in terms of digital jobs, many of you might have followed so the pronouncement by His Excellency the President is public information. We have taken in countrywide anything over 300,000 digital jobs across the country, and there will be anything from the call center type sort of business process outsourcing, we call them, where children go to call centers and serve, sort of customer service requirements across the world, because Kenya speak English, very good English, as His Excellency the President, that we know that. So you can actually transact with Americans, Europeans, anywhere. So those call centers are virtual, working from here, and many other online jobs that have actually come up. So over 300,000 kids seized these programs began 3 years ago. You may not necessarily see it, but it is real. And I think the best example was that young man who was actually doing currency trading, and he says he's done it for the last 2 years. He's made a real money, and he's also teaching other people how to do this thing. And currency trading is a proper trade. It's different, it's a digital trade, different from your normal, agriculture or chicken rearing or something like that. And it is happening.